Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdakam Chimthanawala. Today I'll share my experience with a very rare remedy which I used in my practice, and that is antipyrin. Now actually what is antipyrin? It is basically synthetically prepared called as dimethyl oxycinacin. Synthetically prepared. The properties it is that it reduces the temperature of the body and allies pain. मतलब ये बुखार कम करता है, ये दर्द भी कम करता है, and it promotes sleep and causes perspiration. Simple effect, that is reduces the temperature, produces sleep, reduces the pain and promotes sleep. A very important remedy in cases of fever. But I have found this remedy very important in cases of mouth complaints. The patient came with symptoms of severe toothache along the lower jaw. वो बोलता था मेरे को डॉक्टर साहब ये लोअर जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द करता है. Severe toothache in the lower jaw. And the mouth symptoms which I saw and the patient told me were very peculiar to antipyrin. The swelling of the lips पूरा सूजा हुआ था. The swelling of the lips, a very important indication of antipyrin, and there's burning of the mouth and gums. Imagine the mouth is burning, there's swelling of the lips, there's burning in the gums, and ulceration of the lips and tongue. A very close picture you must have heard in case of mercury, Merck cyanide also. These symptoms are present of phosphorus also. So we never think about this rare remedy antipyrin, but when indicated, it will give you fantastic results. So swelling of the lips, burning of the mouth, burning of the gums, and ulceration on the lips and tongue. There's a small lump in the cheek. छोटा सा एक lump रहता है. पेशेंट बोलता है छोटा सा एक lump है मुझे cheek के अंदर. And the tongue also is swollen. A complete picture of throat and mouth complaints which will very closely match to phosphorus but not phosphorus. The last symptom, the saliva is bloody. There is blood in the saliva with toothache along the lower jaw. This a very important indication of antipyrin which I cured when I had used phosphorus which failed. Then on reading antipyrin, I give this patient antipyrin 200, 3 doses, 3 doses, first day, third day and the fifth day, and it cured the complaints. One symptom which I would like to add in antipyrin is anxiety. And the patient वो आपको बोलेगा अगर डॉक्टर साहब मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, ऐसा लगता है मैं एक नंबर की इडियट हूँ, इडियट. दिस इज द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ एंटीपायरिन पेशेंट. मैं शायद पागल हो जाऊंगा बोले. दिस इज द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ द पेशेंट विद द पेशेंट विल कम एंड टेल यू. That is, he will tell you, I don't know what is the matter with me. I remember nothing. I am becoming like an idiot. Or he will say, I am going mad. And there's loss of consciousness. Very important indication of anxiety, and this symptom will be present in antipyrin. Yes, a very rare indication in a very rare remedy. Of course, a very important remedy used to lower down the temperature with perspiration. Clinically, I would like to add 1 or 2 symptoms of antipyrin which I have seen in my practice, that is high fever, especially in the morning on rising. ये पेशेंट बोलेंगे डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मैं सो के उठता हूँ ना मेरा फीवर ज़्यादा रहता है. एंड देर इज वांटिंग फॉर वाटर, उसको पानी की प्यास बहुत लगती है. सो मॉर्निंग राइज ऑफ टेम्परेचर विद इंक्रीज थर्स्ट एंड हेडेक. Morning rise of fever, increased thirst with headache with pain in the frontal sinus, not maxillary. So this in short becomes a very important indication of antipyrin with cold sweat, then quick rise of temperature and rapid and full pulse. A complete picture of inflammatory fever. So in short, I have discussed mouth symptoms which I have got in my practice and the symptoms for fever which you want to prescribe. But my friends, don't forget the anxiety and the mental picture I told you. The patient feels that he is becoming mad. he is he's behaving like an idiot, and that is a very very important indication of antipyrin. Go home and do read this in your Mathematica so that the picture is complete in front of you. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.